Be honest with me. You sit down to study, to work, to read, and after 10 to 15 minutes, your focus just disappeared. And why it is happening to everyone? I am making this video because nowadays losing focus is such a common thing in us, and we are blaming ourselves for that. We are saying that I am lazy, we are saying that I am not in discipline, that there is something wrong with my brain. But most of the time this has nothing to do with the motivation, this has nothing to do with the intelligence. This is happening actually everywhere in the world, and the reason is short attention span. We are not focused right now because yesterday I also told you that cell phones are right now a big interruption in our world, that it is giving us dopamine in every 5 to 10 minutes, and easy dopamine is equal to less focus. This happens because of something called attention fatigue, and when we start focusing on something, our brain told to us that where is my dopamine, because all day we were indulged in the phone, that in every 5 to 10 minutes we were giving the dopamine to our brain. And when it was a real time to study, then we will have to focus for hours, and because focusing on something is not a regular activity or our lives, but scrolling the phone is a regular activity. That's why our brain got some tension, that what is it, I'm not getting the dopamine, what is happening with me? Because right now your brain is not designed to focus on something. Your brain designed to scrolling, your brain designed that I want dopamine every 5 to 10 minutes. It is not designed to focus continuously. And I know there are few people in my groups, and they are studying for CA, means chartered accountant, and they study for hours. And I just remembered a story of my CA friend. Now he is a really reputed CA, but when he was studying and it was his final round, final attempt, we can say final stage, and at that time he has to study for 11-12 hours in a day. And that time he has a girlfriend also, and that time her girlfriend used to call him a lot. One thing you will have to remember, that girls will never understand your passion. There are only 1 or 2% of girls who can understand your passion, but 99% of girls never understand your passion, that what you wanted in your life. So she was a type of girl, she just wanted to hang out with him and enjoy her life. But my friend was really serious in his studies. He just break up with her because she used to call him every hour, she used to call him every day, and he was like a person, because when he sat down for study, he do not touch his phone for hours. And this is the reason why CA exam is the hardest exam in Asia. In all over Asia, CA exam is the hardest one, and only these type of people win in their life. It is a very simple thing, the one who can focus is gonna win in their life, and the one who cannot focus is gonna lose in their life. And it is not the problem of younger generation, it is the problem of every generation. Kids are not able to study because of phone. A few days ago I saw a girl in the internet, and she just slapped her father because her father just snatched the phone from her hand. A cell phone is such a dangerous weapon, it is a weapon. So it is very important to keep your children away from phone as much as possible, because at the end the phone is gonna control you. I remember a thing that 10 years from now, I don't know it was the thing of 10 years or another timeline, but there was a ad that was circulating very fast, that a 5-year-old kid is learned coding, and how you can teach your kid coding, and they will be a multi-millionaire, they will be really famous if they have done coding. And I know that there are some parents who just spent lakhs of rupees so their kid can learn code. And now, as you know, that AI just destroyed the world of coding. Artificial intelligence just destroyed the world of coding. Now we can learn one thing from the story, that everything that is showing to you is not a beneficial thing. If everyone is doing the same, don't do the same thing, because everyone's mind is trapped by the business and agencies, and they have psychologists, and they know the psychology of a middle class human. Because as a psychologist, that time they know that every parent want that their child will become really famous, and if he will learn coding from right now, then he will be really successful in the career. But that time they were not aware that this is just a marketing agency, because it was a marketing campaign that time. Cell phones are basically just destroying you, but it was not the topic of our video. Our topic is that why you are not able to focus. And as you know, I always came with the solution, and today also I come with a solution, and the solution is very simple. No, the solution is not simple. I mean, it is not simple thing to increase your focus. It is very hard thing, but if you achieve this thing, you will be really successful in life. So the solution that I admire a lot is stop receiving dopamine from the cell phone and start receiving dopamine from the hard things. Now, what does that mean? That means that run for 1 kilometer, run for 5 kilometer, and read a book, read a whole book in a week, and do these type of hard things. Go for a run, go for a 10 kilometer run, and read a book, read a novel. Do things that take time. And when you will start receiving dopamine by the hard things, then the focus of yours will be improved. Otherwise, you are gonna do the same thing again and again and again. You just sit for a study, and after 15 minutes, let's scroll for 1 hour, and you didn't even realize that when this 1 hour just passed away, because your brain is trained on continuous stimulation. The things like calm and compose and focus, these things made your brain uncomfortable, and discomfort is a type of thing that brain really wanted to avoid every time. Because losing focus, it doesn't mean that you should have quit the task. It means that your brain need a different kind of engagement, not escape. So next time when you feel that I am tired just after 10 to 15 minutes of work, don't just blame yourself. Just recognize that my brain is tired, not broken, and I will improve this thing. And if you felt familiar, don't judge yourself. I mean, awareness is the first step, and we will talk about more these type of problems that are coming in your life and that can really affect your life. These are the small things, because right now I am working on micro problems, the problems that no one really talked about on YouTube. Because on YouTube people used to talk about big problems, and the reason why I connect a lot with the micro problems is because that I'll have to post throughout the year, and for that I need 365 topics. Then the topic should be really micro, na? Then I will post. So hey guys, this is day 25 of us speaking English, and one thing I really wanted to share with you guys is that nowadays my mind took less time for thinking, and earlier it was like opposite. My mind used to take a lot of time if I'll have to think about a situation, if I'll have to connect a sentence, but it is getting better now, and this is called progress, and this is the power of consistency.